In my last two videos, we learned about vertical and horizontal scroll bars. You may watch my last two videos. The links are given down in the description. In this lesson, we will briefly look at the links inside a scroll bar. These are the links inside the scroll bar, and we have the CSS here. I have kept here the border of the scroll bar. If you don't want the border, you can remove it. You can increase or decrease the width by changing this percentage. Next, let's convert this horizontal scroll bar into a vertical scroll bar. Okay, first we have to reduce the width and then add height. Let's remove the center tag so that it can shift towards the left side. Now remove this white space, no wrap. You can obtain the code of the scroll bar from the link in the description. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Search Yoga. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.